Today we'll be guiding you through the process of milling a wax ring model using the Roland JWX 30 jewelry model making solution. Designed to boost your creativity, the JWX 30 desktop mill quickly produces a wide range of wax master models with accuracy, detail, and symmetry that far exceeds the limits of what you can produce by hand. Unlike other mills on the market, the JWX 30 comes supplied with its own CAD software. Roland Jewel Studio is a powerful CAD modeling software that provides many jewelry-specific building tools to make the modeling process easier and faster. Jewel Studio is also used to add milling supports to your model for simple, trouble-free milling. With Jewel Studio, you can also create detailed 3D models used to confirm every aspect of your design and present it to your client. The design we're milling today will require a two-sided and full rotary milling process, so the proper small clamp milling fixture is chosen. The installation is simple. Simply slide the base of the double-sided indexed fixture into position. Tighten the screws. Slide the clamp holder into position and tighten. Before we can begin milling, the installed fixture needs to be calibrated using the JWX 30 virtual panel. Sensors on the JWX 30 makes this process easy and automatic, gathering information on the position of both the fixture and the cutting bit. A good general-purpose cutting tool is the conical bit. This will mill most models very well, leaving very little cleanup. Other bits are available for specific purposes depending on the model being milled. The bit is installed easily with the assistance of the magnetic chuck. Standard wax sizes are available for milling. Please be sure to check and make sure that the chosen wax is thick enough to accommodate the model being milled. Supports must be added to the model to allow milling. These can be added manually, or a pre-made set of supports can be quickly selected. Our new easy-to-use CAM software makes it easy to go from model to creating a program for the JWX 30. Simply select which clamp you'll be using and what feature you want to cut. Cutting tool paths is easy. The JWX 30 is now ready to mill your model. Once the first side is finished, the mill will automatically rotate the piece and continue with the second side. As the second side finishes, the cutting bit will move back to neutral. Many models will be finished at this point. However, because of its complexity, this piece needs a rotary cut as well. Simply remove the wax from the double-sided fixture and attach to the frame tip. The model will automatically realign with the touch of a button. That's it! We used the complete Roland JWX 30 Jewelry CAD CAM system to design our ring in 3D, generate toolpaths, fixture the wax, and machine a perfect wax model that is ready for casting. You can view our entire video workshop series and register for Roland University online at www.rolanddga.com.